Good morning, Clay Thompson here at Guarantee RV Center. Today I'm going to show you the Eclipse product. This is an Eclipse Attitude 2816 SAG. It is the Pro Lite version. So we're going to have 100 gallons of fresh water, 50/50 gray and black, onboard generator, really nice layout in a short fifth wheel toy hauler that really works, especially if you're up here in the Northwest and you got tighter roads and smaller campgrounds. This is an ideal floor plan. So inside this 2021 2816 SAG, we have, as you can see, very large cabinets on both sides. This one is a non-slide in the living room, so if you have a challenge with a wide-bodied side-by-side, this is a great floor plan for that because the slide doesn't come in and take up some of your interior space. So great floor plan for that reason. This has the electric bunk bed in the back end with the opposing dinette below it, with the two posted tables. This has the ramp kit, patio kit out the back end. Nice, very comfortable swivel rocker captain's chairs here at the big bay window. Across from it is a nice couch that folds up into a bed or up against the wall for our wide storage area. Nice big kitchen area here with the big plantation sink. Overhead microwave, 3-burner cooktop oven, big refrigerator, very large TV, overhead storage on top of the cabinetry area as well. Nice walk around front bedroom with the queen bed, the nice spacious bathroom with the shower enclosure. Very, very nice floor plan. They do a great job with their LED lights inside and out. This model is going to be just over 9,000 pounds dry weight. With the pandemic we're going through right now, things are selling rather rapidly if you haven't already figured that out. We have a large supply on order, so we have several different colors, different floor plans, interior colors. Please let me know. We could order one for you or put your name on one of the orders that we have coming in so you can get it sooner and quicker and get it just the way you want it. And make sure you contact me here at Guarantee RV Center. My name is Clay Thompson. My direct line is 541-979-1770. Thank you and have a great day.